Good morning, Cougar. I'm Agnes Glunin with Tornado TV's Morning Edition for April 2nd. The talent show is this Thursday from 7 to 9 in the auditorium. Buy pre-sale tickets from any ASB member for $3 or $5 at the door. Yearbook is accepting applications. Students interested in joining Yearbook should see Mr. Mejia in room 11217. The National Honor Society's annual induction ceremony is this Wednesday in the Little Theater at 7 p.m. All members must attend today's lunchtime meeting in Mr. Crosby's room. Family and friends are welcome. Seniors, have you been accepted to college? If so, please bring a copy of your letter to Mrs. Vargas or Dr. Earl. We are creating a fun way to celebrate your success. Congrats to all of you who have already been accepted.
So he's like, get to the end. 10, he's trying to count along with you. And then it's 7 deditos, 8 deditos, 9 deditos, 10. Uno mano, 5 deditos, 5 deditos, 10. And so he gets so excited when you kind of get him that 10 at the end. But
Quarterback Drew Brees can earn more than $18 million per year with the Saints, but he still knows how important it is to learn Spanish. Remember that Spanish is one of the most practical classes you can take regardless of what your intended major or career plan is. And now here's Ashley McClure with an important announcement. Ashley?
Thanks, Agnes. I'm here in the small gym, where trials will be held for pep flags, dance, cheer, and hip-hop this Thursday at 3:30. Please first attend practice on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 5:30 to 7:15. I hope to see you there.
This year's prom, When the Clock Strikes 12, will take place on May 19th at the Mountain Gate Country Club. Tickets go on sale after spring break for $85 with an ASB card. Prices will increase as prom gets closer. We hope to see all seniors there. There are 55 hours left in each of your classes. Plenty of time to get your grades up. So use your time effectively and get a passing grade. Why waste your summer taking a class a second time when you could be focusing on getting ahead or volunteering at a cool place like the Humane Society? Now get to work, Tornadoes. And finally, today is the last day to turn in applications if you wish to work on Tornado Times or Tornado TV. See Mr. Crosby in room 11202. That's it for now. Have a pleasant spring break. See you in 3 weeks on Tornadoes.